Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. I am going to do a quick review on fragrance oils from Candle Science, and I'm going to do this in a perspective from a soap maker. So if you make soap, this is another supplier where you can get supplies from that I've never heard of or would have considered looking at their website for fragrances. The reason I wanted to do this video is because I ordered from them and I was really impressed with some of the things that they had to offer. When I got the order, it came really quick, and the fragrances, I'll be honest, I ordered about 10 of them and none of them were disappointing. Let me show you what I got so far. So I have these little bottles, and I got 1 ounce bottles. They had a sale back in November, and I believe they were like $1 each. So I just went ahead and got 10. I said, what can you lose for, $10? Just send it and see what happens. Well, let's get started. First one I wanted to cover is the white birch. This one, let me open it up. I'm going to open them up, smell them while we're doing this. It smells fine. It smells really good. It smells, kind of reminds me of like an appley fragrance, weirdly enough. But let's see what we have down here. It says eucalyptus mint, cypress pine. Well, it smells like trees. I guess that's what the thing is. So you can see on their website, though, it does show you like what is soap safe, and it shows you the usage rates on here as well. And again, all these can be used for candles, so I thought that was really good. I don't know that one's my favorite one, but it definitely is a top contender. So let's see, we'll move on to Driftwood. Now, I'm a little disappointed. This one was discontinued. I would suggest, I guess, trying this amber Driftwood. I don't know what this is. Maybe there's some amber in there, and it just kind of smells like that to me. I have a white tea fragrance oil. This one, sadly to say, when I got it, it was opened. The only thing I wish that Candle Science would have done differently with their fragrances is leave them either in a different type of bottle, or maybe even put like tape on the lid, because there was no tape, so they're just, I think it got a little loose in shipping. Okay, this one, when I'm opening it and smelling it, it's definitely smelling very floral. It smells kind of like an older lady, but not like a bad, like overly perfumed old lady. It's more of I think I smell some bergamot in there, which is one of my favorite like floral fragrances. And let's see what else is in it. We've got jasmine, thyme, ginger. So those are all really good. The white tea base, it's just really making everything pop. It's really well balanced, guys. And the other thing with these is that they are super potent. Like, after the ones that I've used so far, which is only 3 of them, the ones that I've used so far in soap, even after the curing time, because I wanted to wait till they were fully cured, they smell so potent. They smell stronger than other ones that, other suppliers that I've ordered fragrance oils from. Blood orange. This one honestly just smells, it smells like oranges, but like deeper. If that makes sense. Yeah, the cedar, that's what's pulling it down, making it smell yummy. This one this is not something I would normally order, but somebody recommended that one and said it was one of their favorites. I'm not sure how I'm going to use that yet, so, it is very citrusy, and, it smells good. It smells like other citruses too, not just oranges. It smells like a little grapefruit and stuff. You can definitely see that coming through. Leather. So I really love leather fragrance oils. Brambleberry used to carry one that I used to love. I think they discontinued it and got something else, and it wasn't the same. This leather, though, it definitely smells like, your leather gloves or your nice favorite leather jacket. I would say it's very true to the fragrance. It actually doesn't smell, maybe because I've been smelling all these. It doesn't smell as potent as I remember, but it still smells good. Very leathery, if you guys love leather. Okay, next we have Caribbean teakwood, and I wanted something beachy. I am a huge fan of teakwood smells, so I just thought this would be right up my alley, and I had to get it. Let me take this paper off because the lid's got a little bit of paper stuck to it from shipping. This smells very, very earthy. It does. I would say the teakwood is coming through more than the Caribbean, yeah, because it's got the tobacco leaf. That's what I'm smelling. And the dark musk and amber, those definitely come through. It's not citrusy at all, but it still smells delightful. OAKMOSS and Amber will be next. Okay, so I was hoping this one would smell like Kentish Rain from Brambleberry, but it didn't. I remember that when I ordered it, and it's definitely the OAKMOSS part is coming through strongly. Lavender comes through pretty strong, and the grapefruit comes through. Those are the notes that I smell when I smell it out of the bottle. I'm excited to use that one. I've got a little plan or a little project planned out, so we'll see how that goes, and I'll update you guys when I do that. Library, I just had to try it out because there was another smell that I've got from another supplier that smelled like, you know, books. And this is just like a weird thing that either you like this sort of thing or you don't. So some people think libraries stink. I don't know. It's just I like to read, so maybe that's why I like them. It smells very musky and like definitely probably some amber in here as well. Oh no, there's not, but there's teakwood. I do smell the teakwood. It smells very earthy. I would definitely say this smells exactly like the library. The other ones I don't have in front of me because I've used them already, but the sea salt and orchard, I put it in cold processed soap and it was amazing. It just smelled like the picture looked. It was very floral but woodsy at the same time, so like the scent was really well anchored. And honestly, I think this was my favorite one out of all the fragrances that I ordered. That's why I used it first. And it held up the best, I thought, in cold processed soap. It's still really potent. Anytime I walk past that batch of soap in my house, I can definitely smell it without, you know, being super close. I'm about 5 feet away. I can smell it. Just strong. Very strong. So down here they have the notes and stuff. Another one that I've already used is this cactus flower and jade. This one was also probably my second favorite out of the ones that I got. It's still holding up really well. The soap that I have is fully cured. It came through, the notes came through a little bit stronger, I felt, once it was in the cold process soap. You know, one thing that I do want to add is all the fragrance oils that I did try out, all of them behaved very well in cold process soap. I didn't have any rising or discoloration. I would highly recommend that you read all the reviews and make sure that you pick ones that are appropriate for skin use and say that they are skin safe. And I just wanted to do a quick shout out to this company because, like I said, I will order from them again. They have quality products and I will highly recommend them to other soapers. So if you have any questions about any of the ones that I went over today, just, you know, leave a comment below. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And I appreciate all of you for coming and joining today. Thank you.